guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Boosted931. Got a new video with you guys. Gonna do a burnout in a Cadillac Ctsv. Go for a little cruise and do a little walk around. Get it cleaned up today. Just got it cleaned up and washed. Probably about to do a burnout. Man, this thing is just clean. How do you not love a Ctsv? Thinking about blacking out the outside ring of the Cadillac. I don't know, what do y'all think? Got the welds. Such a beautiful car. I just love these Ctsvs. Start it up. So we did a little drive, did a little burnout. That's just a juice up for what I got for y'all. I have priced a cam swap. It's gonna get a torque converter. It's gonna be a BTR stage 4 torque converter. It's gonna get some American Racing headers or Cook's headers. We haven't made up our mind yet. X-pipe and a fuel system for E85, which I'll post down here. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got it set up for second or third week in April. It's going down, guys. Stay tuned. I think it's going to be Bryant Brothers. They've gave me a good deal. I can't pass up the deal they've offered. So stay tuned. More action. Boosted 931. Y'all have a good one.